All right, here we are. It's the first morning. We are waiting for our volunteers. We're just getting set up with everything that needs to get done. We've got a generator just in case we need some extra power. We've got a canopy that we're going to set up over here. We're going to be putting debris right here. And here we have our happy homeowner who's going to be getting her house redone. So the roof up here is going to be taken off and redone. They're going to start from the back and go forward. We're going to go through. We're going to be taking up the floor here. Ooh. We've got our cabinets that have been delivered and countertops. So we're going to be taking this stuff out. And of course, this is all of the tools and stuff that we got yesterday from Home Depot. We've got a couple of electrical issues that we're going to try and work with and see if... Okay, so the good news is we do have power here. Okay, and then we're gonna see. Oh, evidently, yeah. Just needs. That's gonna be easy. We just need to put that back on the wall. Okay, so we're actually gonna put a GFI plug over in here so that way we don't get electrocuted. You know, this is one of these common occurrences that I'm noticing here in Puerto Rico is water and electricity. They don't mix. So we'll have the volunteers that'll be here working on getting everything taken up on the floor. We're going to put a laminate flooring in there. My buddy Mark here, my doppelganger, he's going to have a crew that's going to be up top taking off the roof safely, hopefully. We've got some issues support-wise. We have to make sure it's safe before we go through. Looking at, here we're missing actually one of the beams that go in here. And you'll notice that this one only has a couple of nails that are actually reaching in there. So we'll go through, get this together, getting the tarp set up, and it's going to be a great day.